We're out here today getting ready to do a rehab on a agricultural well. We're out here near Carthage, Tennessee. And so we have a bedrock well in limestone. We have a single fracture that's producing the water down about 175 feet in the Carter's limestone. It's a 400-foot deep well. We ran a video down here a few weeks ago and found that we had some pretty severe biofouling, so we're going to address that issue here later today, or get going on that later today. But what I wanted to point out today was that what we have here is an isolated well. It's an agricultural well, and we can look at it here is that it's running off of a solar panel. And obviously they have some production issues with this well right now because it's plugging up, but the problem is we have a solar panel here. We don't have a backup battery power. So what they're doing is they're only getting the well to run to fill a cistern when they have sun out, when they have solar out, like they do today, but they're not seeing maximum use out of this well, because really what they should have is either a backup electrical system or a backup battery system run this thing during off hours to fill that cistern. So common problem with solar powered wells. This is a pretty nice solar system. It tracks the sun, so it actually is pretty efficient. But obviously, it's only producing power when the sun is out and it's catching rays. So it does rotate around and track the sun and is a pretty efficient system. But once again, this well is not going to run at night, so they're losing a lot of opportunity to fill their cistern up for irrigating the crops during the evening time. So this is a pretty nice setup, actually. It's just with a few improvements, they could actually run the system 24 hours a day and really get better use out of their pump and their well. And so by installing either a battery system or or supplied power where they could switch over to it when the sun goes down, we could actually see a more efficient use of this well. And I think that's what they're working on. So once we get the well capacity restored after the rehab, and they start operating this a little more efficiently, then this well should continue to supply their needs into the future.